Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our second question. What is that? Here is prove that area of equilateral triangle described on the side of the square of square. So this is equilateral triangle. This triangle area will be equal to the half of the area of the equilateral triangle. This is also equilateral triangle described on its diagonal. So here this is equilateral triangle. This is equilateral triangle. This is also another equilateral triangles. So what you have to do here is what are the given conditions, we have to write it, and what we have to prove and what is the proof here. So before getting into this, so what are the given conditions? So given that what you can square. So let given that square ABCD and angle B will be equal to 90 degrees, and also all the angles will be 90 degrees, as we know that is here we are considering for our observation. So but all the angles will be 90 degrees, we know that is all the angles will be 90 degrees in the square. Next one, what is there given here is equilateral triangles. So equilateral triangles, so that is triangle APC or PAC, whatever it is, triangle PAC and triangle PAC and QCD. So these are all equilateral triangles. One will be on the side of the square and one will be on the hypotenuse side. So here the sides will be sides AB, BC, CD and DA, diagonal here AC. So these are the diagonals. AC side will be one triangle and CD another triangle. So this triangle and this is another triangle. Now what we have to observe here, then what you have to require to prove. So RTP required to prove here is area of triangle here QCD, area of the triangle QCD will be equal to the half of the area of triangle PAC, or so PAC, area of triangle PAC. So always one side of the triangle, one side to the square, the triangle area is always half of the diagonal side triangle, area of the half of the area of the diagonal side. But before getting into the actual solution, you should know, let's going to take proof. So proof here is, let's going to take from Pythagoras theorem, from Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle ABC here, AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square. So here what you can take here is, you can take all the sides will be equal. So in square all the sides will be equal. That means here AB will be equal to BC will be equal to CD will be equal to DA. That means AC square will be equal to AB square. That one you can take it as AB square as BC square plus BC square. So BC square plus BC square, that is 2BC square, that is AC square. So 2 AC square will be equal to 2BC square. So you can take it as square root of AC will be, so you can take this one as, let's take it, AC will be equal to, AC square will be equal to 2BC square. That means AC will be equal to square root of 2BC square, that is square root of 2BC square, square root will going to cancel. That implies AC will be equal to square root of BC, that is 2 times of BC, that is diagonal will be equal to square root of any one side, 2 into times of each side, that is AC will be equal to, you can take AC will be equal to square root of, here in the BC place you can write it as CD. So AC will be equal to square root of 2 into CD. So why? Because all the sides will be equal to each other. Now Next one, what you can take it. So we are know that in similar triangles, so any two equilateral triangles are similar. Always any two similar or more. Two similar triangles are similar. From that, triangle PAC is similar to triangle QCD. Triangle PAC is similar to triangle QCD. So from there, we know that is we have theorem which states that. So theorem, what is that? Theorem explains that ratio of any two similar triangles, ratio of areas of any two similar triangles will be equal to the ratio of squares of corresponding sides. So from this area of, let's going to take area of triangle QCD by area of triangle PAC, that will be equal to, so for this you can take it as this one as CD square or DC square. Let's going to take CD square by, here hypotenuse is base as AC square. So let's going to substitute all the values here. So if you substitute, then what answer we will get? Let's going to consider triangle QCD by area of triangle PAC will be equal to, in the CD place, AC place you have to substitute CD. So CD square whole divided by root 2 CD whole square as from this point. So we are substituted. Let's consider this one as CD square by root 2 whole square into CD whole square. So square will going, square root will going to cancel. That will be equal to, so CD square by 2 CD square will going to cancel. We are getting as 1 by 2. That implies therefore area of triangle QCD will be equal to, what answer we will write? 1 by 2 as area of into area of triangle PAC. So this is the expression what they are asking. So this is the way of doing like this. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like it. Try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.